Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're working at the shop again. We got Cole, we got Daniel. Sorry for the lighting, I know it sucks. I'm trying out a new lens here. We got a Canon 10 to 18. It's the STM lens with the autofocus and all that. So hopefully it's better than the GoPro. I like the GoPro because it's easy to film, but this should be alright. Anyways, let's get right into the video. We got a lot of shit going on today, so. Okay, Daniel, can you show us your LED, your wing here? Alright, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but he's got a wing on his trunk.
Yeah. It looks sick, okay? So okay. I don't get what all the hate is about it when it looks sick.
Oh, by the way, Daniel has no trunk carpet right now, so it looks haggard back here. But I will say, there's no E36 content today. I wish we would have filmed it. I got smacked on the freeway by Daniel, like so bad. From 50 roll, 60 roll, 70 roll, all of it, I got fucked. The 318 wasn't even moving compared to him. So, on record, the V6 Stang is way faster than the 318. Topped out at like 120, allegedly. Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this glass is clean now. All shout out to Cole here. Yeah. Cause this guy and his fucking polishers, dude. Alright guys, we got a Under Armour sock. This is the shit I'm talking about. This is my truck. I didn't even know how that got in there. That's not my sock. Alright guys, so I just got some stuff from Adams. And they got me hooked up with some good stuff here. This is like the starter kit. It's like 130 bucks. Here's the foam gun. You know, the foam gun does like foam gun stuff. No, fuck this, I'm not gonna unbox it. Anyways, I got a bunch of Adams shit. Alright guys, so here's all the shit from Adams. It comes in an Adams bucket. Detail guys. Don't know what the fuck that is. We got all these sprayers that literally, I would say these didn't cost more than a cent. Alright, what's next here? We got a premium microfiber wash sponge, don't give a fuck. Single soft polishing towel. A great white drying towel. The microfiber wash mitt. A single soft polishing towel, I think we already got one of them. And then we get into all the fucking product that leaked in shipping. So we'll start out with the car shampoo here. Pretty self-explanatory. You should rub this on the roof because it's shampoo and shampoo only. I can't. Alright, so we got a glass cleaner. Interior detailer, I don't know necessarily how you apply this. Eco wheel cleaner. The spray wax. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Take your 1 cent sprayer that looks like that in action, and you would just pop it on here and then you would spray your wax. I don't know if that's actually how that's done, but we got the detail guy that would be able to explain that, but we're gonna take our first guess here. We got tire shine as well. This is all the shit you get. Oh, also, you get this bucket that looks dirty now because all of the product leaked inside. This is like, this separates, you know, you put this down here so when you put your mitt back in, it doesn't grab all the dirt. I don't know.
Oh, you got a grit guard?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Those are legit.
So, correction, we have a grit guard. So, all the dirt gets trapped in there, and then you put your mitt in here and it can't get in there. So yeah, we got a grit guard, and the detail guy was excited about that, so that means we got some good shit on our hands.
Oh, you get a free lesson.
You get a free lesson and a free windshield?
Yeah, no blow job required. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Fucking happy, like, couple day late birthday, because I didn't get to see you.
Thanks, dude.
You better get this exhaust clip.
No,
cut the clip, we don't want it.
Super cool. Okay, so we got our 2 bucket wash method really quick. So blue, clean, red, X. That means bad, dirty water. So we got grit guards in both of them. So your wash mitt never hits the grit on the bottom of the bucket. That's critical. So basically what's gonna happen is that here's our wash mitt.
Yep.
It's a mitt or a pad, however you want to use it. Sweet. So we're gonna get our quick detach nozzle.
Got it.
Super sweet nozzle, fully stainless, never will rust. Get our garden hose, quick detach onto there. Turn our water on. So now we're gonna fill our buckets like 3/4 of the way up. All right. This done. Hose off. This. Quick disconnect. This can just literally chill in there. This. Wait for a second. So now that we have both of these can go out here. So now we get our Adam shampoo, which is literally the best shampoo for shampooing cars. This is little bottles I made. These are pH neutral, non-acidic, non-alkaline. So just put a little squirt in your bucket, that's it. And PF22 .2 foam cannon, the best foam cannon money can buy. We're gonna fill this up with 175 milliliters of Adam soap. Right up to our line. This gives us the perfect mixture of soap. Put a little dash in. Yep. So now that's filled up, we're gonna come over to our rinse bucket. And the reason that I fill up the foam cannon like this and not with the hose or the sink, because it shoots water in, it'll foam over, and you'll just have a bad day. With this, you just submerge it and let it slowly run in. There's no pressure, and it won't foam over the top when you fill it up. This is full of water, no foam left over. So, put your nozzle back on. Be careful because they're plastic threads. You don't want to strip them. And this is ready to go. So now we're gonna mix up our wheel and tire cleaner, which is basically, we're gonna use P&S Brake Buster because it's like basically the best thing to use for it, which is this right here. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna also pour 175 milliliters of P&S Brake Buster Total Wheel Cleaner into this. It's foamy, it works great in a foam cannon, it gets brake dust off, road grime, wheel, rubber, all of it. It's like all in one product. So we're gonna try to do this without a funnel. So there's our 175 milliliters of Brake Buster. This can go back in the bin.
Same method as before.
Same method as before, so we don't get, and a lot of people fill their water up first, then their soap, so you don't overflow, but then you can't measure out how much soap you're putting in to get like a perfect solution. So I mark the bottle, put the soap in first, fill it like this, you never overflow, you never have any problems that people complain about. Put our cap on, this is ready to go when we need it. We're gonna do, a lot of people say, oh, do the dirtiest part of the car last. Phooey on that. We're gonna do the dirtiest part of the car first because we're gonna use different washing equipment than the paint anyway, so it doesn't even matter. And I think wheel and tire takes the most time, and so I don't want to do that after the car when I'm lazy and I'm tired. I'm just gonna do this right off the bat so I can finish on my feet, not crouching down next to the car. So basically, I'm gonna get a bucket that I can carry around to each wheel full of the things I'm gonna use for tire washing. So firstly, foam cannon. You know, you can do the little same shake as before on the last one, get it shooken up. So we need this. We're gonna use an easy detail, like puffy brush like this. It's bendy. You can get it in however you want. These are really sweet. They're cheap. They're nice. This is gonna be our tire brush. This is like a $5 brush. Just buy it. And we can use this. This is a Ray's Easy Brush or whatever they're called. It's just a nice little tool to have. And since we're washing a truck today, I like to use this because you can get it up in the fender wells and kind of knock some of the big shit out. So there we go. This is a lambskin wool mitt. Basically, it's super great for washing wheels, leaves no streaks, leaves no residue. It's great. They're kind of expensive, but they're really good.
This is your brand new
Krenzla 1122 pressure washer, made in Germany. Probably the best pressure washer money can buy. Probably it is. So we're gonna set this up. So I'll show you guys how to properly set up a washer because otherwise you'll ruin your pressure washer. So the very first thing you do is you get your water supply, never plug it in or turn the pump on without any water going in, that you'll blow the pump up. So you wanna do,
done that a time or two.
Get your water supply hooked up first with these stainless, there's no threading, you just pop it on, it's done. Water's already detached. I usually just set this in the fence so I can get the air out of the line, because also you don't want to pressurize the line with air in the line because that'll also back pressure the pump, which you don't want to do. So now, water's set up, we'll turn the faucet on. We'll let some of the air bleed out. I ran it earlier, so there shouldn't be too much in there, but we'll let that run for a second. So while we're waiting for this, this is the gun we're gonna be using. This is a Mosmatic, internally swiveling, stainless quick detach, ultra high quality gun.
Sick.
Now all we gotta do is flick the pump on. I purged it. Now the pressure washer's on. Our line's under tension. We got, you know, the correct pressure. So
Sweet.
now we're gonna get our wand, and you can disconnect and connect all of these under pressure because these are, you know, QD connections. You don't have any, you know, threading, so it's always under pressure. So you literally just snap that on. Boom, your pressure washer is currently under pressure, under load. You're ready to go.
Full Draco.
We have a 40-degree spray nozzle with a 4mm orifice. So basically what that gives you is about, you know, 1,000 PSI, you know, output. So this machine is rated for 1,500 PSI, but that's too much for a car. You'll strip paint, you'll strip stickers, it's just too much. So you get a special orifice nozzle which necks down the pressure to, you know, your desired pressure, which I think for washing cars, you know, it's like around 1,000 PSI is probably what you want, so.
Saying goodbye to the sock here.
So I use this rolly stool so I don't have to crouch down or sit on the ground. It's just work smarter, not harder, right? I mean, it's not that much money. It just saves your back.
Words of knowledge.
Right?
Damn.
So now we take our wand off, so we don't got this big giant wand as we're trying to wash the car. You just take your wand off, now you got a snub nose and you're perfect. So basically what's gonna happen is that we're gonna get our foam cannon hooked up on here, quick release foam cannon. It's on there. So basically we're just gonna foam the whole wheel with P&S Brake Buster, the whole wheel well, the whole bit. Quickly with this brush, we're just gonna give this a quick, every time you want to use a brush, you just want to get it wet. You don't want to use a dry brush on this. So basically we're just gonna do this on the rubber part. Do like half the wheel, rinse our brush, do the other half of the tire, rinse the brush. We'll use our easy detail brush. Spray, now we'll get in the barrels. These are perfect wheels to use as an example for the brush, because you can literally just get them in these holes, get them back in the barrels, get all the brake dust and road grime and crap out of there. So now we're just gonna go in here and just get all the surfaces like this. Wheel's done. I mean, as far as we're gonna do, it's good enough for a truck, so we're just gonna rinse all the soap off and move to the next. We'll do this same method for all 4 wheels. So now that we've rinsed the vehicle, we got all the big shit off, and so this is where it's controversial. People say foam it, rinse it, foam it, then wash it. You're just wasting soap. You've already rinsed it. Just foam it and then wash it once. You're just wasting product doing that. I don't know why people do that. It's ridiculous. So we'll start at the front. This one bottle is 175 milliliters of soap and then 1 liter of water. So it's super efficient. You can foam a full-size truck.
It's gonna last a while.
And it's pretty product efficient, which is sweet.
So as Cole said, we're just doing like a top to bottom. He's the guy and got all the knowledge. I'm just fucking doing what he said. Three videos from now. We'll give it a range. 3 to 5 videos from now. Tax return arrives in my bank account, and you're You're really gonna say 3 to 5 videos? You think it's not gonna be sooner than that? I think 3.
Well, I don't know how many videos you plan on recording.
3. I'd say I give it
in the next 1 month. Yeah. Starts with race and ends with lands. It's all I'm gonna say.
Wow, wow. They don't ride like shit. They ride pretty good.
Are you actually?
Yeah. $600. They're actually not bad.
Hey, don't make me feel bad. They're on my shit. I put them on my shit. Don't say that. Anyways, Daniel's getting race lands, and yes, they are race lands. There they are. How much are they?
500. 600.
600 bones.
600. No.
So you guys heard it here first. Actually, Daniel, tell them what you just said. Where
We're doing the coils at Tyler's house because A, I don't want my dad to see.
No, we're not, dude.
B, my mom's gonna freak out as soon as all the wheels come off the car.
Literally.
C, every other house on my street is a bunch of little kids and I like to run up and touch you and steal whatever you're working on.
Damn.
They've stolen sponges from me before.
Okay.
As I've been outside.
Sponges.
Yeah.
Sponges. That happens all the time. So you guys heard it here first. Daniel's gonna do the coilovers in my driveway.
Yes.
And Cole's gonna come through with a 10-foot pry bar, so
Yeah.
basically you won't have to watch the Mustang coilover
It'll
install,
take
just watch
2
the
hours
E36.
less than it did
Those are my
last
emotions
time.
right now.
Those are what?
Those are my emotions.
Maxxis.
No,
Oh.
flat tire.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck? I
Maximum.
was like, what the fuck is Maxxis mean, dude?
No, deflated. That was basically quickly how you wash a vehicle, how you should, in a super nutshell that's like this big. So yeah.
I'd say it was still pretty in-depth.
It was pretty good. It's probably going to be a longer video than usual. I'm going to be posting a video very shortly on basically the same thing, but much more in depth. It's going to be long. It's going to be detailed, so look out for that.
Yeah, and if you're watching this video a couple weeks after it comes out, the video will be right here. I'll put the card right here. So go check it out. Go subscribe to his channel. He makes way better videos than me, so you might as well just go subscribe. All right, guys.
Coils on the Stang.
Coils on the Stang coming in the next couple weeks, next couple weeks. I hope this video made up for the lack of uploading. I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks or a week and 2 weeks. I don't know when this video is coming out, but hopefully it's going to be a longer video, over 10 minutes. I'm trying to get my channel out there still. I do want to thank you guys for the support on the coilover install. As far as my channel goes, 80 views is a lot of views, so fucking thanks. We got 6 likes on that bitch, so appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
I can see that in the front, but the rear doesn't look too bad.
Little update on the M5.
That wheel space was going to be way more.
Dude, update on the M5. Coilovers are in. Basically, this car, long story short, this car's gotten a whole refresh. Hopefully.
Also, there's going to be a whole video on my channel on this entire build project. Detail, mechanic, suspension rebuild, all of it in one video.
So,
this car.
This is the bonus clip for the video. This is the bonus clip for the video. If you made it this far, thanks. Stay tuned because you will see this car.